All right, this is a problem that uses the concept of porosity. A beaker is filled with sand up to its 500 cc mark. If the porosity of the sand pack is 20%, how much water should we add to the beaker so that the water level reaches the 1000 cc mark? All right, let's illustrate this problem first. So here is the beaker. And this is its 500 cc mark, and this is its 1000 cc mark. So up to its 500 cc mark, it's filled with sand, and we know that there is empty space between sand grains, and that's why we can define the concept of porosity in this case. All right, so we need to know how much water we should add to this so that the water level gets to the 1000 cc mark. And we know that when we add water, the water will first goes and fills the empty space in between the sand grains, and then it will fill the space on top of the sand pack up until the 1000 cc. So the first part is easy. We know that this half of water volume is 500 cc, but how much water goes and fills the space in between sand grains? That's what we need to use porosity for. So we know that the pore space, or the volume of the empty space in between grains, is the total space times porosity. And in this case, the total volume is 500 cc, and the porosity is 20%. So then the pore volume is 100 cc. So we know that the volume of empty space in between sand grains is now 100 cc. So the volume of water, volume of water will be the pore volume of the sand space. 100 plus the volume above that, 500, is 600 cc. That's the amount of water that's required to be added to this beaker to fill it up until the 500 cc, the 1000 cc mark.